Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to erase to transparency in Gimp. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, open any JPEG in your Gimp. So first of all, we need to set alpha channel into this layer. Go to this layer, go for this transparency and click on this add alpha channel. Next, to erase the background, you can use this transform tools. Go for this free select tool and we can start tracking at this point and we can start tracking our picture. So you have to select your whole object, then go to this select and go for this invert, or you can press Ctrl plus I, then simply tap on this delete button. Now go for this select and click on this none here, and now you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to erase to transparency in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.